Every successful installation begins with understanding how a space should function, not just how it should look. In the real world, properties come with challenges: elevation changes, drainage issues, tight access, existing structures, underground utilities, and conditions that don't exactly fit a standard plan. When these conditions aren't addressed during design and installation, the result is premature failure, movement, drainage problems, surface deterioration, and the need for costly corrective work. At Elegant Estates, installation projects are approached as complete systems. We evaluate the site, identify constraints, and engineer solutions that address grading, drainage, structure, and long-term aesthetics and system performance. This approach allows us to take on complex properties, including sites with water issues, access limitations, structural and design challenges, and deliver installations that perform long-term as intended. When installed correctly, these systems drain properly, remain stable, and maintain their beautiful appearance, protecting your investment made in the property. When conditions are challenging, the right design and construction approach makes all the difference. Protect your investment with a proper design and installation. Contact Elegant Estates today.